Oh, I see James' fucking house.
Who?
James.
Oh, this punk ass motherfucker. We're gonna get him on recording.
We're gonna record James. Right, either, but it's cool. We didn't go to school yesterday because I had court. She just didn't want to go. Sup, James? I have you on recording.
We got you on hidden camera, motherfucker.
Let's fight, James. Let's fight. Come on, I'm ready right now. Oh my god. Over here, James. Oh, sorry. Come on, let's go.
What are you guys doing out of class?
We're always out of class.
Why?
Here.
Go. My class is right there. Let's go. Oh no. Bye, James.
Bye, James.
I like how whenever we say bye to somebody or hi to somebody, we sound all nice. We're like, hi. Bye.
Oh, I know.
Hi, Sean. Hi, Sean. I'm trying to be nicer. Oh, I'm just going to put my iPod. Run! We'll go to the locker in a minute. Let's go to the vending machine.
Me too.
Oh, I don't either.
He said, oh, that's not good, babe. School sucks. But yeah, gotta do it.
I can feel my boobs bounce when I walk down the stairs. I slipped down these stairs. I just didn't like them out on the ground. Do you think they work yet?
Yeah. No,
Yeah, they do.
they're not on.
Yeah, they work.
That one does not on.
They filled them up here. They have munchies. Ooh. Do you want another $1?
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna get a bag of hot Cheetos and a bag of peanut M&Ms.
What did you write?
Hurry. Let me get one, and then you get one, and then I get one. Wait. And then let's just leave it all in there until we're done. What else are you getting?
Should I get sour gummy worms or that?
I don't know.
I'm getting that.
Should I get peanut M&Ms?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, my arm got stuck. I'll eat the hot Cheetos next period. I'm gonna eat the M&Ms now. There's our vending machines, guys. It's the cafeteria where all the bullshit,
Eat this now.
if you want, where all the bullshit and the memories happened. Today is a red day. That's why there's a red carpet right there. I'm gonna eat these now. What are you eating now? Okay, come on. Walk and eat, walk and eat, walk and eat, walk and eat. There's an orange right there. So there's an orange right there. Do you want me to stop this or keep recording? Huh? Okay.